everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so we're gonna do I Love Etsy List 3, episode 12, I think. I'm not sure. I think this is episode 12. Okay, so what we're gonna do is because I'm doing the shipping as we speak, and well, not now. I'm gonna do this video first, and then I'm gonna continue with the shipping. But I do have some of the items that sold yesterday that I'm gonna show you, and then the new items that I have listed. It is so hot here in California. I don't know if it's hot where you live, but I have all my water bottles in the freezer. But it's hot. Okay, so let's see. We have these are the solds. We have this one here, 925. Okay, you guys remember these earrings that I listed yesterday? The ones that said FAS 925, the fused alloy ones with the blue stones. So this was purchased for 10. And then we have, let's see here. Okay, the next one was purchased 2 items for the same buyer. And it was, let's see, this one here and this one here. Okay, it's a 4 gemstone pendant. Very pretty. And it is marked, it is tested and everything. And also they purchased this dolphin ring here. Very pretty. So for both of them, including the 20% off, it came out to be $42. Next, we have 3 items purchased by the same buyer. Okay, we have here, let's see what they are. Okay, 2 rings, necklace. Oh, okay, here it is. Okay, this one here, remember the owls? Okay, so I listed this one as a lot of 2. Instead of putting 1 item, I put 2 items. One of them was this one here, the little owl trio. And the other one, they're still in their bags. The other one was this one, and I listed them together. So these were $12. And then this one here, which is the double link sterling bracelet. This one was $30. And this one here is very pretty, really nice statement necklace here. I love the colors of this. And this one, I don't know if you guys can see it well. It's very pretty. The colors are gorgeous. And for all 3 of these, the total amount was $42. Okay, so let's get to the next one. Give me a second. I don't want to break anything. I have to ship them right after. Okay. Okay, so the next one is let's see here. Oh, okay, the turtle. Remember this one here? The hematite cute little turtle pendant necklace. This one. And the same buyer also purchased the cute little tiny earrings. The ones I'm going to say wrong again. The cloisonne. Okay, so these little tiny earrings along with this pendant. The pendant was listed for 15 and the earrings were 12, and with the 20% off, it came out to be $23 for both. Okay, so next we have this one here. Okay, I listed this one yesterday. Remember the cross that I really loved? This one here, this cross. And I did take your advice. I did get a white tablecloth. I'm waiting for it. It should be here tomorrow morning, and we'll see how it goes with the focus, because I did get a lot of comments saying that the flowers are what it's focusing on. Right now it doesn't have the focus. I turned autofocus off, but we'll see what happens when I change it to white. Hopefully it'll focus better. Okay. And also these earrings here, it's little Zuni snake earrings and a little tiny snake bracelet. Okay, so the necklace was 45, the snake earrings were 15, and the bracelet was 10, and with the 20% off, everything came out to be $56. Okay, so this back. And this one and this one here. Okay, and we have one more item, and this one I listed yesterday as well, the amethyst and peridot pendant, and this one sold for $24. So my total sales for yesterday was 191, which is great. I'm really happy with that. And thank you everyone who made purchases. Do that. And also send me your Etsy links. I haven't been getting as many, but if you have an Etsy store and it's not jewelry related, I will also link those. Okay, so now we're gonna do the items that I have new listed. Okay, we have, okay, this one here. This one is a, I hope I say this right again, a Celtic, yeah, Celtic, I think it's called Celtic design, little a pendant with the necklace, and this one I listed for 20. Next, I have this heart pendant here. I don't know what the stone is. I don't know if it's turquoise or not, but I did list it, and I really love the necklace that I have on here. It's a really long one too. It's 22 inches. And I did list this one for $30, but I'm not sure what the stone is. It may or may not be turquoise. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys take a closer look, and then it shows even better in the pictures. Okay, so next one is, oh, this one here. Okay, this is really pretty, and it has faceted some kind of gemstone in here. Look how pretty this is. And the stone. I don't know what the stone is. And this is a pendant, and it also becomes a brooch as well. And it is marked, it is tested, and it does have this really cool, like, I did not just drop it. I did, but nothing happened. This one, I listed it for, let's see here, $40. Okay. And then we have, what do we have next? 925. Okay, this one here, which was just in my hand reach. Okay, here we go. I didn't know that Tashi makes jewelry. So it does say on here, on it, it says Tashi 925. It's a cutout little butterfly pendant, and it comes with this ball chain. And this one I listed for $15. Next, we have earrings. Here they are. Okay. Oh, these are cute. Okay. These are cute little cherub earrings, and they are marked in the back. It says 925, and it does have the little C mark on one of the cheeks over here. And I did list these guys for $15. Okay, next we have amber. Okay, here we go. An amber bracelet. It's very pretty. It has lots of stones on here. And this one, I listed it for $35, and this is a 7.5 inch. And it doesn't show very well in the video. Look, there's some kind of like, you could see things that are inside there, and it shows much better in the photos that I have in the Etsy store. So this one is $35, and just remember, these are the original prices. They will be on 20% off. I'm only saying what they're listed for, because just in case the sale ends, I want you guys to know what the original price is. Okay, so we have another one here. Oh, okay. I decided to go ahead and list this. It's a cameo, and it has marcasite on here, and it has onyx in the back and a pearl, and it's carved out of a pearl, mother of pearl. It has a pearl hanging here too, and some kind of gemstones here, which I can't really tell what they are. They're kind of like, again, one of that brown orangish color down here, and it is marked and tested. And this one I listed it for let's see here, $50. Yeah, this one is 50 because this is really nice, and I think 50 is a good price. It's a little on the high side, but you don't find, I've seen cameos before like this, but I've never seen one where it has these kinds of gemstones also on here, the little flower here. So I did price that one a little bit high. Okay, and just remember that it's still going to have the 20% off. Okay, the next one I have is okay, this one here, I decided to make this into a little lot. It's a malachite bracelet here. The bracelet is 7.5 inches. And then I put in 2 pairs of earrings right here. This one and these dangly ones here. So we have set here, and I listed these for 25 for all three. And then what do we have next? Okay, next we have this one here, two bangles, two sterling silver bangles. And I'm not sure what the size is, but I did put them with I did take a picture of them with the ruler. And of course, you know, I have to put my hands into everything. And they do, yeah, they do fit, so they're not small. And I listed them both for 25. And next we have this one over here. It was a Silpada. And thank you to the viewer who left a comment telling me what it is, and I was able to find it. It's called Silpada XR Collection, and it's very pretty. I don't know if you saw it yesterday or not. It has multiple strands, rhinestones, crystals, and it does have the little tag here with the Silpada XR on here. And because this is a little bit on the heavier side, I'm going to have to use a different box for this. Reason why I listed this one for 45. Because I'm going to have to add a little bit more for the shipping on here. Okay. Oh, and I know I already did my 10 items, but I did get multiple messages for this. So I did go ahead and list this. Oh God, now I forgot how much I listed it for. I did go ahead and list this brooch because I don't have it here in the 10. It is in my listings. I did list it. It's a very beautiful gold tone. I don't know what the stones are. The stones may possibly be real stones, and it does have little hearts over here. So I did go ahead and list this one as well. And thank you again for watching. This is Anita Fanita. Hope you guys had fun. I'm gonna say bye now so I can go ahead and ship the items. Thank you very much for watching. Bye everyone.